Good morning, Niger. This now who say you come this people this morning? No, my people how una dey? Hope una fine. Sapa no go worry we. This morning I wan go to Abia State. I wan talk about the thing when the State Assembly talk. Dem say Abia Assembly knocks private schools for compelling parents to buy customized textbooks. Abia State House of Assembly has passed a resolution directing its Committee on Education to invite the Commissioner for Basic Education, the leadership of ASUBEB, and other related functionaries for interaction on the current lucrative business of sales and use of customized texts and exercise books in schools. According to the Abia State House of Assembly, the current trend is to the detriment of parents and the society at large. The Speaker of the Abia Parliament, Emmanuel Emeruwa, who announced the resolution during plenary, said that serious attention was to be beamed on the activities of the operators of institutions where the future generations are groomed. The Speaker added that the committee has 2 weeks within which to report back to the House. The resolution followed a motion on the use of customized texts and exercise books in private schools in Abia State, brought before the House by the member representing Aba Central, Mr. Samuel Ucheonye. Ucheonye had, through his motion, alleged that some proprietors of schools sell books at exorbitant prices and make it impossible for any 2 persons to make use of one textbook. He called on the House to intervene and halt the continuous extortion of parents and guardians in the state. The House at plenary also passed a resolution urging the state government through the Commissioner for Health to urge the federal government to, as a matter of urgency, deploy medical doctors and other relevant medical personnel to the Sustainable Development Multi-Purpose Hospital in Ubunagbo. This, according to the House, is to take care of the health concerns of patients who visit the hospital in their numbers for medical solution. The resolution was sequel to a matter of urgent public importance brought before the House by the member representing Umunabo State Constituency, Chijioke Uruapa. Honestly, this is it don't become too much. You will get 3 children, none of them fit use each other textbook. Haba, that's just no be am now, no be am at all. If private schools fit just customize their notebook, that one is enough. Not be them they write the textbook, they don't write textbook, and even they write textbook that's substandard. There's a na government they write textbook, and the textbook brother wey dey for junior school, as he go the next class, should be able to use the one wey him sister don use. No be say you go use textbook your junior no go use am. That time wey I dey work, because of that one because I been teach for private school, those children if dem dey go home dem go leave the whole textbook because their other sibling no go fit use am. You go expect person wey the sister wan enter the next class, you go buy new book. No ma, it's getting too much.